Hello everybody. Jordan here. I am going to be live trading and showing y'all how I'm trading today, as well as answering any questions if y'all have any. I'll be waiting for anybody to join up, of course. If you don't join in, don't worry about it. I'll just upload this video onto YouTube and show you guys how I did things. So first things first, high and a low, we went down, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that we're probably going to drop. Want to see what happens here though. First, we're still sitting right at this open, and I'd like to kind of wait and see what's happening first. I'm going to give it a little bit before I do anything, and just kind of hold off until either a pattern or something presents itself, or I just see a better entry that gives me something. So again, we have our 200 EMA down here, which kind of actually shows me that we could bounce off, and maybe that this drop is not going to be as dignified as it could be. So maybe instead of drawing it this way, I could draw it for calls, which would be from the bottom up, and see how that works out. So as you can see, we're kind of just hovering here. So let's wait and see what happens, guys. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to put a little long here. I'm going to go ahead and see if we fill this gap back upwards. See, I'm actually going to do it at 25. Hopefully I get lucky. Oh, wait, I'm on the wrong account. Actually, I'm on my paper trading account. Let me log out of that. Log into my funded account. Actually, I'm not going to do that because that's a weak candle as well. These are being pretty weak, so I might actually try and short it. I don't know. I'm going to wait a little bit, guys. This looks like it can go either way. I'm going to wait a minute. Though that candle does show that we should probably have some downwards movement. But I'm not sure if we'll just tap this and bounce back up, or if we'll actually start breaking down. So I need some more confirmation. And don't hesitate to my one viewer to ask any questions or communicate with me. So as you can see, we did break down. I should have entered there, but I'm gonna go ahead and put a short here. I have 50. God damn it. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and manually do it at 15, and hopefully it stays that way. Okay, we're at that, so now I'm gonna do it at 10. And if it doesn't work out in my favor, I may do one extra like short there. Damn. A lot of times when it bounces off of the 0, it'll pop back up about $10. So I'm gonna give it a second. MT, yes, I do, but for some reason my particular thing with Discord, it just doesn't want to work. Like, it doesn't let me share my screen for some reason in Discord, but my partner can share his, so he does his all the time in Discord, whereas I will try and live stream here unless it works for me. It does work for me randomly on Discord, but not often enough. We're probably going to do one of two things. We're either going to break down a little bit here, or we're going to pop up really hard off this 200. That's why I haven't moved this down, because if we do pop up, it's going to be pretty gnarly. I might actually move this to there, though, since we are down $15-ish, $17. And what's going on, guys? Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. If we can break down here, then we're probably going to hit this lower ADR. Fuck it, I'll adjust it down to here. I just don't want to get too close to the 200, like get my buy too close to the 200 in case we do rocket off of it, which is likely right here. We'll see. All right, fuck it. I'm going to 85. It looks like it's going to break down, just based off what I'm seeing there. And if it does bounce off, I'll just average down one time somewhere right in here, and then wait for a pop down again, and then I'll exit, which it looks like it's going to do. Come on, give me my little entry. Okay. Let's say 80, since I have it at 85, would be my exit. And if I'm going to do another short, it'll be $20 away. And that'd be how I do it. If, let me do it right there. 10 would be a good spot. And yeah, sometimes you just gotta hold it for a little loss. Where do I think QQQ is going from here? Well, watching what futures are doing, it's going to do exactly what futures are doing. So we'll see probably what's going to happen based off of what happens today here. And just in general, QQQ, everything should go down, right? Like, we might have a couple pops this week, but longer term and next month or so, everything should go down, right? So I mean, there's no real catalyst other than people just being stupid during FOMCs, right? So we'll see what happens here. Hopefully I don't get slapped silly. But if I do, I'll get this one average down and then I'll stop. If it doesn't work in my favor, I'll just have to get out of a hole. I'm actually going to do it like there, which it looks like I'm probably going to end up being in a hole. I probably should actually do my short from up here. But that'd be too much. I might actually do one more. I don't know. We'll see. And my son, of course, is waking up from his nap right now, so hopefully I don't get distracted with that shit. Alright, so that's a pretty weak candle. Hopefully we get a little bit of this action. What I'm hoping this is just a consolidation for another drop. Normally I would use this as my stop loss, though. I would use this line as my stop loss, but I have a feeling it could come back to bite me in the ass, though. So we'll see. Like I said, when you don't follow your plan, sometimes, more often than not, you get wrecked. I'm hoping that this isn't one of those times, because my plan would be to exit there. Just watching, and I'm hoping to see also harmonics pattern come on during this whole live stream that I'm doing today. Probably just be doing this for about an hour, so if you have questions, please ask. No, my wife's here is just he wakes up and he starts, sometimes when he wakes up from his nap, he's like really upset or just going crazy or whatever, and since I'm in the office, I can still hear him and shit, so you know how that shit is. Let's see, I might actually adjust this just to right there. I don't mind securing just $40. Give myself a little cushion, give myself an out, hopefully, and then get out of this one and then wait for actual better confirmation play. This was a little risky, so hoping it doesn't bite me. But no, I'm not technically watching him right now. Two-minute chart. Where are you getting that from? There's nothing saying I'm on the 2-minute. Where are you getting that from? Right here. No. I did not have 2 minutes. I don't use the 2-minute chart. Never have. Don't believe I ever will. If anything, I'd be using the 1 minute or the 30-second for futures. And it looks like I may get fucked here, so I may just cut this shit, because this is also forming another higher low. Don't really want to. What you thinking, Logan? Oh, you're saying, am I watching the the show House? Yes, my wife is watching House. I thought you meant, am I fucking like playing House like with my son? Like, you know what I mean? Like watching. Bro, I'm stupid. Sorry. Yes, my wife is watching House right now, and harmonic W's and M's. Talking about like that or what? Because I do have the little cheat sheet. You know what I'm saying? I do look at that. Oh, let's see. Let's get a little bit of something. Let's see, baby. A little bit of that. Yeah, you did hear. You heard that. That. I don't know how the fucking thing goes, but I can't imitate it. But yeah, you heard it. Just watched that episode where Foreman basically killed that woman with a. Yeah, normally I do it at 6 p.m., but I started live trading, so I just got on. That's all. Market opens up at 5. I just decided to get on and show y'all what I'm doing. So I don't really have the TikTok anymore, or not necessarily don't have it, but I won't be on there as much. I'm going to try and be on here more often in general, like not necessarily every Sunday at X such and such time. I'll just log on randomly, live trade, and record it and post it to YouTube or whatever. So it's probably going to adjust a little bit from what you're used to. Yeah, I think I'm going to end up having to cut this thing for an L. I don't want to, but I think I'm going to end up having to, because this is forming a higher low. I don't know. Just watching, it doesn't look good for me yet. And more than likely, it's going to want to fill this fucking gap. I'm going to cut this thing right here. If it tops that line again, I'll just cut it. Or goes above it. What you thinking, Logan? I think I got a bad short here. Did some doofus stuff. Should have waited a little bit before I did anything. It is what it is, though. We all make mistakes. Let's see if it goes above here, and if it does, then I'll probably cut it. Maybe like 350 or something. Yeah, I think I just jumped the gun, honestly. And I knew I shouldn't have gotten it so close to that 200. Y'all heard me say that, but I did it anyway like a dumbass. So that's my L. We'll see what happens. But my internal stop loss is usually around 350, 400 bucks, because I can make that back pretty easy. You got a $2,000 basically hard stop on the account, so 400, 350 bucks is whatever. But I will cut it if I need to. I can always re-enter something else. Now what I'm hoping I see here is this form a tweezer top, which it looks like it wants to, right off of this fib line, and pops down, gives me my little exit off of the 200, and then I can, hold my head high on a little $40 win. That's all I'm trying to secure. Looks like I may get it. Hopefully not wishful thinking, though. Do y'all have any questions? I know it's just a few of y'all in here. One of them being Logan, so I'm sure he doesn't have any questions. But any of y'all have any, please do. You said what? Yeah, you just got in a short. Well, I'm hoping it goes below that, sir. I'm hoping it goes to about 80. Yeah, it's not looking good for you, boy. Formed a tweezer top and a tweezer bottom with the same fucking candle, bro. And it looks like, this could be, realistically, this could be a right? Like this could be a little flag forming, which wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. You know what I'm saying? Because then we would just, and if we can break down below here, we should probably go to touch our 200. Kind of what I'm thinking. So let's adjust that a little bit. Oh yeah, I forgot you do the tick chart on Ninja Trader. Yeah, that shit is good, man. I need to get on that low key. See a little breakdown, baby. Where did you get your short at? What was your entry, bro? Was it 90 or 95 or what? 93, something like that. I can't quite remember when you mentioned it. 99. Ooh, you motherfucker. You got a good one. Are you using MNQ though or NQ? Because if you're using NQ, you'd be up pretty solid right now, like $100. Yeah, I may just have to do a little extra short, bro. I don't want to, but I might have to. I just don't want to. Like I could do one right there and get my average to be like right around here. What's it, 85 plus 15, half of 15 is 7.5, so it goes $7.50 up. Should be at 92.5, which could definitely give me an exit. But if we did fly up some more, I'd be down like $400, $600, something like that. I don't want to go down. Let's see. Oh, nice. That way you can funnel out if you need to, right? I know that's why you like using MNQ. That way you can get several, and if it keeps running in your favor, you can just kind of drop out of it slowly but surely. Is your price target to exit all of them at 87, or are you gonna like slowly cut them at 87? Is that what you're doing? Looks like either way, I'm either about to get fucked or get my exit, because this thing's bottlenecking. Something's about to happen. I hope it does one of these numbers right here where it goes, gets a little bit like that, and then again, one of these bad boys, or one of those bad boys, but the opposite way. Usually that means that it's going to break through the 200 low key. So we'll see. I think I'm gonna get my entry, exit, whatever. 884. Okay. Well, I'm hoping it hits. You know what, low key, bro, I would accept $20, bro. After this bullshit, I don't want to hold on to it much longer. I'm gonna just take a $20 win if it happens. Do another if I get it. I think it's time, baby. There we go. Come on, stop being disrespectful. Yeah. Motherfucker. Of course, this thing became weak. Okay, this is just Seeing if this harmonic W works on something so small. I feel that. I feel that. I just I don't have the premium. I have the one right underneath premium, so I can't do the second charts, which is really fucking annoying. So I'm probably gonna upgrade this soon to the premium so I can do the second charts. Oh shit. Sorry for the yawn, guys. And I'm trying to get this last funded account, this last account funded that I have, and I'm like, bro, I'm like right there, bro. So yeah, come on, baby, let's go. You about to get your exit? Come on. Oh, you said wait for Black Friday. That's a good idea. 200 is purple, pink and white are 8 and 9. I mean 8 and 21 EMAs. Pink is the 8, white is the 21. It's trying for that first target, bro. It got within $1.50. May low-key cut it for just 20 bucks if it hits that first target. I ain't even gonna cap. 40 bucks or whatever that is, $50 loss. I may just do it low-key. We'll see. Yeah, bro. This thing's gonna... I think it's about to fucking destroy downwards, bro. Because usually when these start happening like that, it then goes like that. So I think it's about to fucking break down, bro. I think it's gonna go down to here, go down to that 50. But yeah, it did disrespect you a little bit. I'm really hoping it don't squeeze up, bro. I'm really hoping it don't squeeze up. It's very possible, but I really hope it doesn't. Got so fucking close too. I'm gonna wait patiently. I'm gonna wait patiently, guys. Let us pray. Do the other two of you have any questions? If you need to understand what the 9 and the 21 are for, basically when the 9 crosses below the 21, it signals puts as long as you have a decent gap, or if it crosses above, it signals calls as long as you have a decent gap. And here we're straight up broken down, so I don't know. It seemed alright. I mean, plus I had this little flag here formation that I thought was good. So I don't know. I felt like it was a good little confirmation for me. Just would really like to see this thing go whoop one time. Do you have like Logan? Do you have like 2 orders on your chart? Basically, one at 87 and one at 84, like that, like just pop pop, so that if it does do a huge candle, just like whoop, you get both your cells in, or what? That's how I would do it if I were you. I don't know. Yeah. And you're welcome. The harmonic stuff, Logan actually put me on to the harmonic stuff, and I've loved it ever since I've been shown it. It's all works based off of fibs, so I mean, the fact that you can have an indicator that automatically draws them is pretty dope, right? So I definitely wanted to share that with y'all on TikTok. I think we're about to get our exit, bro. You for sure you're about to get your first exit. It has to be. Unless they disrespecting you with that 88, bro. If they disrespect you with 88, that'd be so annoying. just average down here like I wanted to. Sorry about my son if y'all can hear him, by the way. That way you're still green if it pops up. I feel that. Looks like I should have just cut it when it was under $100. We'll see. This could very well be a double bottom too. Hoping not. We'll cut it 350 though. Looks like your stop loss might get hit, brother. Mine too, shit. Unless this decides to reject and keep this line going, which would be lit, because it would be like that, and like that instead. This would be like so. You could argue that this is like so. Just waiting, guys, just waiting. Just the simple fact, though, that these are red and everything while this is going green and up shows that we're probably going to go down. We're probably going to reject. And it's already getting like weak going up. So I maybe should just average down here one time. I just don't want to see. I don't want to do it to myself. I'll let you decide. Oh, should I average down real quick? I'm on the fence. Give me a little bit. If I do, it'd be like right here, bro. If I do, it should probably be like right here. Let's put this down here. And that makes way more sense. And that's about right. Okay. And again, sometimes that's all this is just waiting and watching and trying to see what's going to happen. Especially during these times when the market's technically, like the stock market is technically not open. Sometimes you just got to hold on to something for a while. That's what I'm thinking, bro. I think it's still valid. I think it still has the potential to go down. So I'm kind of waiting on it. I'm just trying to decide if I want to average down at like 11,900, 11,905, or 11,910, or just not at all, and just cut it for a loss if it is a loss, which is looking like maybe just a loss. We'll see. Negative 270 at the moment. And I ain't gonna lie, those look like tweezer bottoms a little bit after a small trend down. Oh, man, I'm tired, man. Well, goddamn. Let's see. I think I'm gonna give one average down, bro. Right here. I'll do one. I'm gonna try one. Uh-oh. Well, damn, you tell me that right as I put it. Let's see. Ooh, should I do it? I think I'm just gonna cut this shit, bro. Is it above? Oh yeah, that's what I forgot to do, man. Forgot to anchor my VWAP, son. Oh yeah, that's it right there. See if it hits. If this candle don't gravitate down, back down, I'm gonna have to cut it. Yeah, that's it. I'm done with that. Let's take that L. It's okay. It is what it is. I'll wait for another confirmation for something else, guys. It is not a problem. I ain't tripping about it. I did tell myself before I got into this I shouldn't have gotten in that close. I did want to actually get in closer to the 900, and I ignored myself and my own thoughts, and that's what happens. So now I am down $418, but that's okay. We'll get it back. I always do. I am, however, waiting to see what happens here at this open. Curious to see if this drives us up to the open or if it tutors out real quick. Waiting. Definitely invalidated that W though. Should have just turned that bitch up. Flipped it. Yo, I just saw this meme that's hilarious. This shit said, asking me to borrow money when you got all that plasma in your body is crazy. That's funny as hell. Looks like it. Projected. Go ahead and put a short here, though. I don't know. I'm gonna wait a second. I'm gonna wait for a little range to present itself for me. Because for all I know, this was actually the flag. And I hoed myself. Right? I probably should have averaged down up here, bro. Nah, I'd have been down like $700. Fuck that. And so, like I tell y'all, when it stops validating your lines, you may want to consider pulling one of these bad boys, like so, and seeing what's going on like that. So now maybe we hit this gold area as a resistance for a second to break through it. We'll see. But I think it's actually a little too early to draw my fibs. I'm just going to wait and see what's going on. I'm going to take these off too. See what this is telling me. I might even wait for harmonics to come up before I trade anything else. I might not even trade anymore during the live and just answer questions, to be honest. Just to give myself some time to take a peek at like what it's trying to do. Yeah, it looks like we're about to tap this mug. I should have fucking longed it where I shorted it, bruh. Just chilling, watching now. I made a mistake entering too early. I usually don't enter that fast, and that's my fault. I do want a short right here, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. But I had a feeling we probably fill this gap back. And with FOMC this week, and Powell talking twice, I do feel like we will go green before we go red. So it makes sense. Anybody have any questions, any comments, concerns? Nothing? All right, guys. We're just going to be sitting in silence for a little bit until I get me an entry or something for something new. Y'all don't got nothing to say. Bro, I love all the Cowboys memes where everybody's talking about they're signing Uncle Rico from Napoleon Dynamite. That shit kills me every time. Because they suck so bad. Alright, looks like a rejection right here with that. I think I'm going to try it out. One more short at C22 maybe. Don't hold me now. It looked like it was rejecting. And I'll just take little small wins until I get my 500 back or 400 whatever back. We'll see what happens here though. A little bit more than $10. Come on now. I'll take that. Just little ones back and forth. That's kind of how I will get my wins is I'll just do little ones over and over and over again. I know Logan kind of has bigger holes that he does, because he'll do M and Q and he'll just kind of like scale in, scale out. But I like to just like catch a little trend, secure 20 to 50 bucks, get in another one, like watch it bounce from a spot over and over again, kind of. That's really useful, especially if it like the fibs and everything aren't necessarily helping you at the moment. That's usually pretty helpful. Back to 22. I'm gonna keep it at 22 just in case. All right. Secure that. Get back in. If it hits, and I'll just do that over and over and over. I cannot look at that. Just so you know, I can't open that. A channel would be like, say this right here, right? You could say like this is a channel, right? Something like that. Like, hey, like this is kind of just trading in this little area, right? And it's just kind of popping in and out, and then we break out, right? You could say this is a channel right here. This is a little channel right here. Like this is definitely a channel, right? This right here. Like that's absolutely a channel. Like that would be a channel. But if I could open what you sent, it won't let me. I would tell you, but it won't show me anything. Boom. And so as you can see, I've secured maybe 50, like 70 bucks now, 70, 80 bucks from doing that. And you can just kind of do that repeatedly once you find a little range that it keeps popping in and out, until it decides to do something. I do that a lot. Like maybe give it to 22.20, like that. So it looks like it decided to reject, but I'm still gonna wait here at 22. Here, let me adjust it back to just 22. As you can see, me shorting, like thinking that that short would have continued down would have been probably a mistake. And that's why I kept it where it was at. Let's see if y'all are asking me anything. Any other questions, guys? I know there's just a few of you in here. Let's see, this could very well be the next leg up. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that because this could very well do this number right here and break through. So I'm gonna wait to see what happens around here. Just chilling. Oh, looks like I should have taken it, man. should have done it. I would have been up a cool honey. Ooh wee. Did I fuck up, guys? I don't think so. I hope not. I didn't even realize that thing hit. Probably cut it if it goes above 25-ish. Yeah, that's it. I ain't holding that. That's too much. I didn't even think it was gonna hit my target that fast. I looked down and looked up and my shit was bought. Ooh, thank God. Thank God I cut that. Good Lord. So as y'all can see, that ended up being bad for me, but that's okay. I may just have to long, bro. I'm about to fill this gap. Yeah, I'm about to long this shit. I think we're about to fill that gap. I may actually wait till that gap is filled, low key, to see what happens. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade for the next probably hour or so. Bro, right? I I accidentally had a short here, and I wasn't looking, and it fucking got it, and I managed to cut it before it fucking flew, but I still cut it for like $100, you know. But yeah, that thing got me, bro. me see. I need to zoom out. That's what I need to do. I need to zoom out. Let's see what's going on. So zooming out, we're coming up on this 200, which may very well be where I should. Ooh, there we go. Okay. So coming up here, I may have to short there. Where's that? Let's see. 45. This one almost went to that first target. Yeah, I didn't realize that this was here, bro. Did you know that this was on the? Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, and it's a cipher. This thing's about to go. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this. Let me see. I might put it at 40, bro. It's gonna hit. I'll be all right. I'll wait for this thing to play out. Let's delete some of this shit so I can see what's going on. Dun, 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 dun. It's like 250. Yeah, you know how I gotta show y'all something. Y'all know how everybody's so damn so upset about Ariel being black right now. I saw this shit. Somebody said Lord of the Rings. This shit got me rolling, bro. This is hilarious. That's fucking funny. I don't care what anybody says. That's funny as hell. I'd watch it. Lord of the Rings. I got anything to talk about? Questions, comments, concerns, guys? I'm waiting very nicely for this larger cipher to play out. You gonna utilize that, Logan? That cipher on the 5 minute? Anybody have any questions, guys? Go. Of course. Just gotta ask in case y'all do have any and you're just watching, you know. Just waiting on this. Hopefully this cipher gives me some money back. I think it will. Especially because this target, look how big these targets are, bro. So if I can get back here on this entry, which is what I should have looked at this beforehand, and waited for it, and hopefully this will give me a nice little entry and I can make some money back. And worst case scenario goes up to a little bit. You see where that first target is. Like right there. We'll go ahead and secure that. Put it back at 43 just in case. So annoying. Put it at 40. Worst case scenario goes up to about right here. So looks like I should have just held that motherfucker. Let's see. I'm gonna keep it at 40 for a second. If it goes down to 35, I might adjust a little bit more. Tap up just a little bit. Ah, you're a bitch. That was disrespectful. I'm sure y'all can hear my son playing. Should have held that mug. Alright, I'm gonna put it at 35 now then. Alright. It's getting real disrespectful around here. Go. This is 28. I'll double down here if it gives me the opportunity. And I'll just wait. This is 29. Shit. where was my first short at earlier today? It's down here. Let's make it easier. So from here to about here, I should make my money back if it drops down. Cool. Yes, sir. Let's go. I'm gonna do that. Well, it's just me and you, Logan. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop out of here. Been on here for about an hour and a half, bro. Um, Made a little bit of my money back. It's all good. I'll be green by the end of the night. I ain't really tripping. Um, if you have any questions, bro, or not questions, but you want to collab on some plays, let me know, bro. Definitely want to know if you see any good stuff coming in. I want to get in on it too. If you see something I don't,